going to do something a little bit different. I did get my order from the warehouse, and I also got a couple other things that I wanted in that order. And what I'm going to do with you today is I'm going to uncoil this hourly, and I'm going to put some notes pages in it that are super, super pretty. And yeah, we're going to do that together. Thanks to everyone who is here for the first time and joining us. Thank you so much. And for everyone who is a subscriber, I really appreciate you guys for always coming back. You guys don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you are alerted when I have new videos going up. Okay, here we go. Okay, so now I'm back, and I have taken apart that the neutral, and I've taken out the pieces that I don't want in there. So there was, this is an 18-month coil, and you saw that I took that apart, so that's right there. This is all that I kept out of this one. So it's from August to December in the neutral. Okay, and then of course all the stickers. I took all the stickers. I'll use them, but I just took all of them out. I also took out the perpetual calendar. And so what I have left is what I wanted to put in this one. So I have in the front of my planners all the time, I have a pocket in the very front. Then I have the overlay. I love the colorful overlay of the layers, so I took that one from one that I had was colorful. And then I have the rest of this is neutral, so you know what the neutral all looks like. Then the only difference is I took some of those pages from the notebook that we got from the warehouse sale, you know, those notebooks, and I'll have a picture of those up as well, that have this beautiful, beautiful layers up there. So I took those and I put those every month. I put those in for every month, just some notes pages. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to back plan, move my stickers over from my other one. So all I have is July, August, and we're working on September right now. So I'm going to go do those. But first I'm going to put the planner back together. So I have all this together, and all of this is going to go on that coil. So I want to make sure everything is just even. And so, I have the neutrals in the back as a pocket in the back. And that's just so I can have two pockets, one for stickers, and then this one is probably for stickers, but receipts and anything like that. So now what you want to do, once you have this all lined up, everything is lined up, then you just want to make sure, that it is lined up as far as you can see straight through it. All right, and let's see, so with, I had those off a little bit. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your coil, and then you're going to start. So mine was down at the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm turning mine over, and this is going to look real funky for a second. But I'm going through here, and then I'm going to go work my way down. So I'm going to put this through here. I'm going to run it through here. And the first time that you go through, it is wonky. I will not tell a lie. The first couple times you're trying to get it through, it'll be wonky. And I'm not you know, no professional at this at all, but a little patience is very, very, very useful. So you get it through your first, it's just the first couple of ones that you go through that this actually happens on. I'm gonna go through my second one, and pretty soon they'll start to go through. So they'll have like their own little rhythm, and they'll start to go through. And then you just keep pushing these together so that they're even. And it's especially true when you're going back in, when you're putting your ring, your coil back in, because keeping them straight will help them go through. Now some people have put on clips, but that doesn't allow the paper to really move like it might need to. And you could see mine is like crooked here. So we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna speed it up right now. Then we can put our covers back on. Get this out of the way. Sorry for the glare. There we go. Now, I know that a lot of people say that they're afraid of doing this, but once you do it, get it done to the best of your ability and not someone else's, it'll make more sense. Trust me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah. Sometimes, there we go. So it looks like there we go. Are we all holes in? Yeah. A little rough up there at the top, but I know that will come through. There we go. There you go. All together. So when you open, so you have that, and see how it opens down here at the bottom. It should lay flat just like that. And if you go through all of them, it should lay flat. And there you go. Sweet. Thanks guys so much for joining me. I will come back with more planner stuff. I will be back. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.